you in City Time. You're gonna like this one. Well, we get to talk about Tom Hanks.
I love Tom Hanks.
But some healthy news for Tom Hanks. On David Letterman this week, Monday night he appeared, and the Oscar winner has revealed he has type 2 diabetes. This is a big time for Tom Hanks. Captain Phillips, the new biopic, going to hit theaters this weekend, and he said he's been dealing with high blood pressure for 20 years, and his doctor recently told him, you've graduated to type 2 diabetes.
I saw the Letterman interview, and he said, my doctor said if I could get back to my high school weight, I could be without type 2 diabetes. And he goes, well, then I'm going to have type 2 diabetes. Because high school weight, not so much achievable for Tom at this age.
Bit of a different picture. Captain Phillips garnering great praise. Can't wait to see this at the box office.
Man tears. I heard man tears.
This weekend, serious. Some tears of another sort. The Jenners calling it quits. Bruce and Chris said they confirmed they have separated a year ago after 22 years of marriage. Obviously, this couple has got all kinds of fame from Keeping Up with the Kardashians, but the marital issues have taken over. 22 years, 2 kids together. They're going to move their separate ways. Ready for Watch This?
Yeah. Oh, can I say one more thing?
Yeah?
Halle Berry and Olivier Martinez.
Oh, yeah.
They named their baby?
Yes?
Maceo.
Maceo?
Maceo Roberto Martinez.
And you got to roll the R when you pronounce it.
Well, I tried.
That's very good.
Rosanna Asensio is here. I'm doing my best.
Yeah, that is good. I'm appreciating the roll right there.
And now we need to go Ron Burgundy.
Yes, Will Ferrell. Can't wait for your Anchorman 2 to come out later this year. But hey, Dodge Durango. They got a bit of an ad.
I love this. Staring contest.
On my right is the new Dodge Durango with up to 360 horsepower. On my left is 1 horse with 1 horsepower. It makes you feel pretty dumb, doesn't it? This thing is literally 360 times more powerful than you. Look at you. You're worthless. There you have it. 360 times better than a horse. Staring contest, go. I win.
Cracks me up still every time I see this.
It's so good.
Comment to btvancouver.ca if you got to watch this video for us. Roll the R for Rosanna.
Rosanna Asensio is up next.